Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 Social Community Extension. Now this particular plugin allows you to create social profile, add posts, follow other profiles, create groups and share the created posts with other profiles within the Magento 2 platform based web stores. Apart from that, the plugin focuses on the marketing and the publicity of the products and services. This is done by likes, comments and share of any post done on the e-commerce store itself. Now the customers can create a social profile and make it as active or deactive. Customers can add or remove followers and can follow other profiles, can create groups and add members in it as per the requirement. They can share posts with followers and in groups. The customers can like, dislike and comment on the profiles or the posts there basically. The admin on the other hand would be able to set up the badge system that is integrated to provide discounts to the customers. The admin can also create rules to assign badges to the worthy customers and much more. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Magento 2 Social Community Extension. I'll be showing you the customer account panel options that the customers get after the successful installation of this particular plugin, and the workflow at the customer's end, and the initial configurations that are required for this particular plugin as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So here you can see that we have a social community, what we say as a kind of a category there, and here we can find the complete list of social community posts that have been made by the customers there. Here we can see that the posts have been liked. If you want, you can dislike a post, you can add comments to posts, you can share the posts as well. So the very first thing that I want to show you is how a particular customer would be able to basically set up his account. For that, what I'll be doing is I'll be creating another customer account by tapping here, and I'll be entering Jack Doe. The email would be jack@webkul.com. I'll set the password. I'll confirm the password. So I'm just giving you an overview of how this would appear, the account panel options, how they would appear, and the initial configuration settings for the same. So you can see that I'm a new customer here on the website there for the Magento 2 platform based web store, and here you can see that under the account panel options of the customers, here we get different options for the social community there, that are activity, profile, notification, coupon code and settings. So if I go to the activity, straight away I'll not be able to create any posts, or I cannot view the profile. So what we need to do is we need to set up the settings first. Under the settings, we need to set up the date of birth, marriage anniversary. If you're not married, then you can check this unmarried option there. Who can see your profile, whether you want to make it as public, followers only, or do you want to have it as a private one. So for now I'll make it as public. Then you can make your social account as active or deactive as well from this particular drop down here. Then you can set who can comment on your posts, whether you want the public, followers only or no one. So now I'll set it as public there, and then I'll tap here on the save button. Now after saving this up, here you can see that on the right hand side as well, we are able to see the badges that have been created by the admin from the backend panel, and these badges can be earned by like, dislike and other options that I'll be showing you in a while from now. And if you have received the badges there, then the coupon codes within the badges can be used to purchase the products there. Now this Magento 2 Social Community Extension helps you to focus on the marketing and the publicity of the products or services. So for example, as a customer, if I'm going to purchase a product, if I find it a good one, I can post that up within the activity section there, and this would be visible to the customers under the social community section itself. Now if I go to the activity right now, here you can see that here on the top we have the activity option, the notifications and the icon for the account there, and here we can write anything and we can make the post as a quick post, and we can choose to set it as public or in group as well. The same goes with the profile section. If I go to the profile section here, I'll be able to the posts that I have made. I can check my about section, my followers, the ones I'm following, and I can go to the group and I can create a group as well. Under the notifications, I'll be able to see all of the notifications there, and under the coupon code, I'll be able to see all of the coupon codes that I have earned there. And under the settings, again, we'll be able to set these things up here. We can browse the profile picture as well, and that profile picture would be visible then here within this particular section itself. So right now what I'll do is I've already created one account there with the data that's visible there. So I'll just log into that particular account here to show you the rest of the workflow at the customer's end. So for that, I'll enter test@webkul.com and I'll enter the password and I'll hit the enter thereafter. Now here you can see that we have the activity, profile, notification, coupon code and settings option. Now if you can see that under the settings, we have the same particular section. I added the profile image, and the profile image is visible here on the top right hand corner as well. The date of birth, the marriage anniversary, who can see my profile, whether public, followers only, or the private if you want to make it. The social account is active right now. Who can comment, public, followers only, or no one. So I set it as who can comment as public there. Now coming to the activity here, under this particular section, we'll be able to see all of the posts that have been made by the customers whom this particular customer is following right now. So here you can see that from drop down we can unfollow this Peter Doe as well, and he has posted loud this website. The website link has been provided. Please check it out for the best products. Now you can see that there are 2 likes, 1 comment is there, and 1 share is there. You can share it on your profile as well, or you can share it to a particular group as well if you have created a particular group, and you can share this post within that particular group as well. Apart from that, if you want to post a quick post, you can enter the post here. Checked out the product. There's the product link. It's the best. Please check it out. And then I can tap here on the post to post this one. So I can choose to make this post public or in a group only. If I go with a group, then it would be posted in the group itself. So for now, I'll be posting this post as public, and I'll tap here on the post button thereafter. So that's how you can post any of the posts that you want. You can post the posts from the profile section as well. And here you can see the feed that you can see here are all the customers whom I'm following right now. So here as well you can see that love this website, check out for the best products, and the rest of the things as well. Now if I want, I can also like, dislike, I can add a comment, or I can share this particular thing that has been shared by a particular customer. For example, here I'm having checked out this, check out the product is the best, please check it out, right? It's been posted by my own self. Now coming to the profile section, if I go to the profile section here, you can see the test user name is there. The member he's the member since 21st of March. The location is there. The badges received by this customer are 3 different badges. From here we can go to the settings option as well. If I tap here on the settings, then we'll be redirected to the settings option. Now coming back to the profile section, here we are having posts, about, follower, following and groups. Now under the posts, here we'll be able to see all of the posts as you can see here, along with the comments that have been made by the different customers. So for this one that the customer had posted, the best of the jacket of the season, you can see that Peter Doe has given a comment that nice product, check it out itself, and 1 comment has been made there. If you want to like any of them, you can tap on the like button there. Then from here as well you can create a quick post, and you can make it as public or in a group as per your own requirement there. Then coming to the about section, here you can see some statistics, like you can see the total likes that have been made, total comments that have been made on your post, total shares that have been made, the total number of products that you have purchased within the store, any product reviews that you have made, the total order count that you have made, and the personal details as well. Then under the follow, you can see the followers there. You can remove any of the followers by tapping here on the remove button that you can see. You can also search the followers or the persons there as per your own requirement for your within this list. You can search the followers as well. Then we have the following. Here you'll find the customers who are following you. You can search them up as well using the search box there. And then we have the group. Here you can see that we have already created a student group with 2 members, and this particular customer is the group admin himself. We can delete the group as well. To create a group, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the create group button, and this would basically bring up the create new group section. Here you can give the name of the group, test user group for example. We'll make it as active, and we'll tap here on the save button. After saving it up, you can see that the group has been created, and within this particular group we can post as per our requirement there. Under the members, we can check the members. Right now the admin is there, and under the settings we can add the profile image and the banner image for the particular group as per the requirement there by tapping here on this particular icon itself. From here you can also change the group name, and you can make it as active or deactive under the settings. Under the members, you can add the members to this group as well by searching the particular member there. So that was about how to create the groups under the profile section. So if I go to the profile section, here we have went through the posts, about, followers, following, and groups. So here you can see that we have the test user group, and we can delete the group as well. So if I go to the student group here, I can see the banner image and the profile icon as well, and here I can see the posts that have been made within this particular group itself. And this post would only be visible to the members that are there. So here you can see there are 2 members, one is the admin and one is the John Doe itself. So that was about the profile. Under the notification, you'll find the complete list of notifications there. Like if someone has liked on your post, someone has commented on your post, or if you have posted any post there, or any customer has posted any post, or he has liked your post for example. And if you have shared a post in a group or something like that, that would be visible under this particular section itself. Now under the coupon code, you'll find the complete list of coupon codes that you earned. Here you can see that we have earned 3 different coupon codes, and here we are having the coupon code that's H28, HETR465 and H28. So you can make use of these coupon codes, and you can purchase the product and apply these coupon codes to the products while you are making a checkout there. Now here on the right hand side, you can see that we have the discount coupon code, test coupon code, and like and get coupon code. You can set the action title and the reward title. For this one, I had set the action title as action title and the reward title as reward title, so you can give a better description here for the customers to understand how they can earn the particular badge there. And lastly, we have the settings option, wherein we can see the settings of the profile itself. So these are the options that we get under the Magento 2 Social Community Edition extension, that are the activity, that brings up the particular activity, shows the complete activities there of the followers. You can make a post from here, make it as public or in group. Then we have the profile section showing the posts, about, followers, following, and groups. From here as well, you can access the settings. Here you can see the total number of badges that you have received. Under the notifications, you'll find the complete list of notifications for the posts there. Under the coupon code, you'll find the complete list of coupon codes that you've earned. And under the settings, you can make the profile settings here for your own self. So this was the customer's end, and now let's hop on to the admin backend panel. Let's log into the admin backend panel. Now, after the successful installation of the Magento 2 Social Community Edition, what will happen is that the very first thing that you need to do is you need to navigate to stores and then configuration. And under configuration, under the Webkul block, you'll have the social community, where you'll be having two options. One is the general settings and the badge cron schedule. Now under the general settings, here you will be able to enable or disable this functionality within your store. So if you have chosen this as a yes, then this community option on the side panel would appear, and under that you will be having customer, post, comment, group, badges, like, dislike, and additional post. Now before making the initial configuration settings here, what you need to do is, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to go to community and additional posts, and under additional posts you need to add some posts for the customer birthday, customer marriage, and the welcome post by the admin. So here you can see that under the community additional posts, I have created happy birthday, welcome on social community, and happy marriage anniversary. To add a new post, you just need to tap here on the add new post button, and that will bring up the particular section here. To create a post, you can choose the post type to type as birthday, marriage, or welcome post, then enter the post message, upload the post image there, and save that up itself. Now the additional posts that you have created here then need to be selected here within the general settings. So after enabling enabling this particular functionality, you need to send a post from the admin on customer birthday. You can choose it as a yes or a no. If you selected it as yes, then you need to choose a post from the list. So you can choose a birthday post for that. Then you can choose to send a post from the admin on customer's marriage anniversary. You can choose it as a yes or a no. If chosen as yes, then you need to choose the post from the list here. Then we have the send a welcome post from the admin. You can choose it as a yes or a no. If chosen as yes, then you need to choose the post from the list here. Now for the badges that would be assigned to the customers on the customer front there, the coupon codes that are assigned to the customers there, it would depend upon the settings that the admin has set up. But they will be assigned at the time when the badge count schedule has been set, and depending upon the frequency, whether it's set as daily, weekly, or monthly, and the start time of the cron. So whenever the cron would start, depending upon the frequency, the badge would be assigned if it has been gained by the customer by doing that particular activity that the admin has configured from the backend there. So after making these configuration settings, you need to tap here on the save configuration button. Now coming to the community section here, here you can see that we have the customer, posts, comments, groups, badge, like, dislike, and additional post. So under the customer, we'll be able to see all of the list of customers who have created their social profile with their name, like test user, Jack Doe, Peter Doe, John Mark. Their status can be seen, whether they are active or their social community profile is active or deactive. The total number of posts that they have made, the total number of groups that they have created, the badges that they have received, the total number of followers, the total number of following, the join date is there, and from here you can edit the particular customer as well. Now this would redirect you to the particular section, that's the customer information section, wherein you can scroll down and you can check the social information of the customer with the details, like the social information is displayed here: the joint social community, last activity, follower, following, group created, shared post, comment received, disliked received, liked received, post created. And from here the admin can see the social options as well, and can edit the social options as well as per the requirement there. Like the social status can be made active, deactive, the profile status can be set as public, follower only, private only, date of birth, marriage anniversary, profile image. Same goes with the social posts as well. Under the social posts, the admin can see for the particular customer the post that the customer has created with the date, and from here he can edit the posts as well as per the requirement by tapping on the edit link. Then we have the social group. Under the social group, the admin can see the total number of groups created by the customer, and from here the admin can edit the groups as well as per our own requirement, or can delete the groups as well by choosing the delete option. Then under the followers, the admin can see the total number of followers following this particular customer, and the admin can remove the follower as well as per own requirement there. Then under the following, the admin can see the following customer there and can remove the following customer as well. Then under the social badges, the admin can see the total number of badges that have been assigned to this particular customer and can decline the badges as well as per the requirement there. So that was about the customer section. Then we have the post section. Under the post section, we'll be able to see the complete list of posts that have been created within the social community there. As you can see here, along with the posted by name, the total comments, shares, likes, dislikes, creation date, and from here the admin can edit anyone by tapping on the edit link under the actions column there, and can view the post information as you can see here with the post details as you can see here, and the admin can edit the post as well and can upload the post image and can tap here on the save information button thereafter. Then we have the comment section. Under the comment section, the admin can see all of the comments that have been made by the different customers on the different posts there. So here we have the list of the comments there with the post ID, commented by, the likes, threads, dislikes, date, and we have the select option to edit anyone as well. So if I tap here on the edit option, we'll be able to edit the particular post as well. So that was about the post comment. Now coming to the group here the admin will find the complete list of groups that the customers have created under their social community there, and can edit any of the groups by tapping on the edit option here, and that would bring up the edit group section. And from here the admin can make the group as active or deactive, change the group name, change the group profile image, banner image, change the group admin as per their own requirement there. Under the group post, the admin can see the posts within the group that have been made, and the group members can also be viewed from this particular section as well. So that was about the group. Now coming to the badge section, here the admin will be able to create and add new badges as per the requirement, and can see the different badges and can delete, enable or disable the badges as per their own requirement there. So here you can see that we had created one like and get coupon code one, and let's edit it up and let me show you how you can create a new badge. So here you can see the information and the received by section as well. Under the information section, you will be able to enable the badge and you can make it as active, set the badge name, upload the badge picture, action title, what action needs to be done so that you can earn this badge, and the reward title, what reward you will get if you perform the particular action, and then you can set up the description as well. Then you have the set condition. So here you can set the condition on which you will be getting the badge there. So here you have to choose the particular element. So here from the drop down you can choose whether if a customer is liking, sharing or commenting on a particular post, then he'll be receiving the particular badge itself. So then you can set the number of counts that should be there for the like, share and comment, and the duration should be there whether in a day, in a week, in a month or in a year. And then you have to link cart rule for coupon code. From here you have to choose the coupon code that would be applicable there for this particular badge that you are going to create. Now these coupon codes that you can see here are to be created under marketing cart price rule. If I open the cart price rule, here you can create the cart price rules as per own requirement. Here you can see that we have the Luma bottle coupon code for you and test 12, right, and the same are visible here as well from the drop down, Luma coupon code and test 12. So you can create the or you can link the cart rules for the coupon codes under this particular section. So you have to create those rules under the cart price rule itself. All right. So that was about the badges. Then we have the likes. Under the likes, you'll be able to see the admin would be able to see all of the likes that have been made on the different posts here. Posted by is viewed, liked by is viewed, and the like date is visible here to the admin. Then we have the dislike. The same goes with the dislike as well. The admin can see the disliked on, posted by, disliked by, and dislike date as well. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 social community extension, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the Magento 2 social community extension plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.